Hi guys, and welcome back to another simple app tutor video. In this simple tutorial, we'll learn how you can block someone in the new Threads app. So if you are bothered by someone on Threads, if someone is constantly messaging you or they are leaving inappropriate comments on your posts or other stuff inside of the Threads application, then you can easily block them. When you block a person, they won't be able to message you, reply to you, and you can protect yourself from unwanted interactions. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so the first step is to open your Threads application and make sure you are logged into your account. The next step is to find a profile which you want to block. So we can find a profile either on the home page of the app, we can go to our followers list and find the profile there, or we can simply search for the profile. I'm gonna search for a profile which I want to block. And now, when you get to the person's profile, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen and you want to click on them. Then this menu will pop up where you'll see a couple of options, and we want to tap on the block option. When you do that, you'll see this message here where it will say that this will block any accounts that they may have or create in the future. They also won't be able to message you and find your profile on Threads. And they also won't be notified that you've blocked them. Now keep in mind that if you block their profile on Threads, the profile will also be blocked on Instagram as well. So if you are sure you want to block them, simply tap on this block button and that's it. That is how you can block people on Threads. If you found this video helpful, then leave a comment on this video and I'll see you in the next one.